Welcome to my channel. This is ayomidegraphix. In this video, you'll be learning how to upgrade your WhatsApp profile picture. So without wasting much of your time, let's begin. You open your Pixellab app, you click on import to import the image you want to use to upgrade your WhatsApp profile pics. Now the image is in already. So for example, this is the image you'll be using for this video. Now after that, you have to draw a circle, click on shapes, then click on shape 2 as you can see, then click on the pivot icon to click on the circle, then you give it color, you scroll down, then you give it any color you like for using for this video, then you bring it down to the back, as you can see, to the back. So then the image, you click on the image, make sure it's in the middle, then you go to opacity. After you have arranged that, you move to opacity, so you reduce it to 70%. Now the next stage is to click on the mask icon, the mask 2, to mask the image into the shape. Click on mask 2. So now you arrange it very well. If you notice that the image I used doesn't have a background, I have removed the background of the image. So if you want to do yours, you can check up the video at the top of your screen now to learn how to remove the background of any image. You can also check the description below on how to remove the background of any image. You make sure the dots align with the circle at the edge, then arrange it one by one from the right to the left. So when you are done arranging it, you click on enabled. Okay, now as you can see, we are done. Everything's arranged, it's at the edge. Now I click on enable, then click on out. You click on out, as you can see, it has been aligned, it has been masked to the shape. Then when you are done, if you see everything's fine, you mark it. Now to make it visible, you go back to opacity, scroll to opacity, click on opacity, make it down to 100% back, mark it. Wow, we're almost there. Now the next stage is to draw our other shapes. Click on layer 2. When you click on layers, then copy and paste that, copy and paste. As you can see, we have copied and pasted that already. Then you bring it down. Now the next stage is to give it color. Click on color, enabled, then color white. You're using color white, then arrange it very well at the back. Now we are done. You click on layers. When you click on layers, you have to copy and paste that again. Click on copy and paste. When you lock it, copy and paste. When you've done that, you bring it down as well as usual, then give it color again, give it color green. That's the color of WhatsApp, color green. Then paste at the back as usual and arrange it very well. Now you can use the relative size icon to reduce any shape, both the height and the width. So then you arrange it very well when you are done. So you mark it when you are done, then click on shape to click on shapes to draw a white background. Make sure you draw it to cover the work area. Then you mark it when you are done. Now after that, you drag it down. You see that's it to be our background layer. If you are done with that, wow, you see that is cool, good. Now you can check everything's aligned to give it the final touch. So make sure everything is straight, aligned to each other, the green, the white and the blue. Now when you are done, you click on the icon there that look like a diskette, save as image, then click on the icon there, then to save as ultra, then click on save. Now you go to your WhatsApp profile pic setting to remove the one that is there before, then add the one we just did now. So you are going to add it. So as the new profile pics, when you go to your gallery, as you can see, wow, this is it. So you make sure you edit it very well, crop it very well. Then when you are done, you click on done. So that is loading. Wow, as you can see, we have created a 3D WhatsApp profile pics. So that's how to do that with your phone. So if you are watching this video right now and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, Kindly do so now by clicking on the subscribe button on your screen right now for you to get all notifications when I drop videos like this. Kindly drop your comments concerning this video in the comment section. Also do well to like this video by clicking on the like button on your screen right now, and also share this video across the socials to your friends and to your loved ones. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.